India's Health Ministry on Wednesday informed the number of recovered COVID-19 cases in the country has exceeded the active cases tally by more than 4.8 million. This comes at a time when COVID-19 cases tally has crossed the 6.7 million mark in the country.
The number of recovered people from COVID-19 in India has exceeded those with active infection by more than 4.8 million across the country, informed the Health Ministry's statement on Wednesday. Recovery rate in India has surpassed 85% at the time when the country's COVID-19 cases tally has crossed the 6.7 million mark, with at least 104,555 deaths. Meanwhile, as the fight between health workers and the deadly virus continues around the world, frontline warriors, including doctors and nurses of Hindu Rao Hospital in Indian capital New Delhi, have been protesting against delay in salaries. The doctors said they have been working without salaries for around 4 months now and want immediate action in this regard.
हमारी सैलरी हमें 4 महीनों से नहीं मिली है। अब भी ये लोग कह रहे हैं कि 2 महीने और लग जाएंगे। यहाँ पे जबकि अपने ही एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ब्लॉक में ये लोग रेनोवेशन भी करवा रहे हैं, लेकिन हमारे लिए इनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं।
In India's West Bengal also, where annual Durga Puja festival brings in business for idol makers, this year they are facing hardships as no major celebrations are being done in the state as well as other parts of the country. The festival of Durga Puja celebrates the victory of Hindu goddess Durga over the demon king Mahishasur. During the 10-day celebration, the goddess is worshipped in her 9 different forms, and then her idols are carried in huge processions to water bodies where they are immersed. Amid the outbreak of COVID-19, large gatherings, processions are banned this year.